Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add payments methods and Hostinger Websites Builder at 2026. So the Hostinger Websites Builder supports online payments like cards, wallets, and also the offline payments like cash and bank transfer. So you will need at first to open the payment settings, and before you will need to make sure that you already logged in or signed in with your account to Hostinger. After that, just go ahead and click on the websites option on the left hand menu, and that's just open your website builder. Okay, so here you will need to locate the website that you want to add the payments method on. So for example, I will go with that one, and yeah, so here I do want you just to go and click on manage store next to that website. And then just go with the left hand menu and click on the settings. Then right here you will need to go with the payments, the third option inside the settings menu. Okay, and this is where all payments methods are managed. Okay, so you will need at first to add an online payment method, and that's recommended. So depending on your country, Hostinger supports PayPal, Stripe, manual card payments via Stripe Extra, and the availability, as I said, depends on your business country, not just customer location, right? So you will need to add PayPal, and to do that you will need just to click on connect here. Then you will be forwarded into the PayPal's website. And then all you need to do is to select the PayPal and enter the PayPal email, and then just choose accept PayPal balance, accept debit cards, and then just save. And the customers can now pay using PayPal or cards via PayPal, right? And the same thing for Stripe Extra or the online payments in general. And now we are going to talk about manual payments or the offline payments methods, and these don't process money automatically. You confirm payments manually. So the first one is the COD, as you can see, or the cash on delivery, right? You will need to click on add payment here, then just select the cash on a delivery, for example, and enter here the payments method name and customize the description, right, with AI writer, or you can write it yourself. And after that, just go and click on save, and that's very popular in some regions and countries. So actually guys, we're going to talk about the bank transfer now. So to add the bank transfer, you will need to go back here. Go ahead, click on add again, click here, just go with bank deposits or wire transfer, or you can go with custom payments method. Here you will need to enter the payments method name and description, then just click on save, and after it will be forwarded into the bank name, account holder, IBAN or IB, and payments instructions. Okay, so there you will need just to save and order stay pending until you confirm the payments after confirmation and saving your bank infos. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.